All right, so these are going to be, what are these called exactly?
So these are the Ekko Cubby Holders. These ones are compatible with both the Sprinter and the Transit, fortunately.
Yep.
But yeah, this has been a very highly requested item. And due to that demand, we decided to design one, but added a little bit of flair to it with these extra pockets.
Yep, that's what caught my eye big time. Yep.
I don't know what you want to, what people are going to put in here, but any storage is is good. So
I agree.
Yeah, we'll see. So yeah, how these work is they screw directly onto the plastic panel here for a permanent install, and then there are zippers to
get access to that.
Access the panel.
Yeah.
They are fully insulated, just like our window covers. So we hear a lot about how this area is like a little miniature oven, right?
Yeah.
Lots of heat or cold that comes straight through this area. So this will absolutely keep it
and make it look nice too.
Isolated.
It'll look just like it does how nice these
stuff
look.
will stop falling out.
Yeah, exactly.
And stuff like that. So, all right. All right. So these ones just take a few screws.
8, I believe.
Yeah, 8 of them.
And just screw right in. Really
just
easy.
Really hold it in.
So what kind of template, what kind of, I mean, what are you not lining up to make it, you know, match, make it fit exactly like you want?
Yeah, so this really, it covers this hole, so as long as...
So you're not worried about covering up these snaps from the stock?
Well,
that would actually...
like, we designed it to sit right above the snaps.
And that way when you open up the opening, it is exactly like you want it?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
And then also by not covering these snaps, the stock partition,
you can still use it if you needed to. Yeah, that would be Yeah.
So don't cover up those, and then as long as this opening is lined up with this the hole, you're good to go. So we'll start with. I'm just gonna start with this upper hole there. No need to mark much here.
Yeah.
We got the grommets all punched in here, so it'll be pretty obvious where the holes or where the screws need to be. It's easier to close this thing
and get it lined up like what
straight.
That makes it look nice.
Yep. So start with that one. I'll go ahead and do this guy next. Step down. Make sure everything's nice and taut. And these also glow in the dark, so you need to find this little thing, just like the window covers.
Yeah.
Light up. This one's a little tricky with the TV potentially in the way. It's a little trickier with the other ones. I might just change bits so that it's shorter.
Shorter, yeah. It seems like a lot of screws for just a small blind like that, but I guess it's necessary because you got so much, you know, curves and things like that to work with.
Yeah, we want to keep...
Because it's not heavy at all.
Tight, right.
Yep, it's done.
So there's one. Access your stuff.
Perfect. This one will really help clean up my Ekko a lot, I think, just keeping everything in there.
Yeah, you'll have
sight
to
unseen. Yeah.
tell me what you put in here.
Yeah.